Hey guys! Today we will be checking out the Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner. It is one of the latest robot vacuum cleaners that have been equipped with LiDAR advanced navigation, a powerful suction motor and a mopping pad, which I will cover in more detail later. Let's proceed with unboxing the product to see what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one set of user guide. Underneath it is the Dreame robot vacuum cleaner, wrapped nicely in plastic wrapping. Also included is a box of accessory which carries the sweeping brush, mop pad and water tank for the robot to carry out its mopping function. A charging dock to charge up your robot vacuum is included, along with a power cord to power up the charging dock, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner looks really high quality and elegant and wide. At the top of the robot vacuum, you will notice a module which is the LiDAR navigation sensor for it to accurately map out your home and use its algorithm to decide the right cleaning technique to apply. Smart, right? There is a dustbin compartment at the back of the robot vacuum which can be easily accessed to when needed. It holds 570 milliliters of dirt and can easily be emptied when need to. Let's power up the device. Once powered up, the LED lights on the button will light up and you are ready to get your synchronization process started. First, head over to your device's App Store and download the Xiaomi Home app. Thereafter, once download is complete, launch the app and you can create a new account or sign into the app. Once done, you will be led to the app homepage where you can start to add your device to the app. In this case, I will select my Dreame D9 robot vacuum model for configuration. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your device connected. Pairing should be really simple and easy. For me, it took under 10 minutes. Next, set your robot name and location for future reference. Once that is done, you will be led into the app homepage, where you can see your home mapping done up virtually on app. Looks really cool. With the Life LiDAR mapping sensors, I can view the robot's location as it accurately maps out my home floor plan onto the app. It will calculate the area cleaned as well as time spent cleaning. It has an intelligent smart slam algorithm installed into its cleaning according to my floor plan, as it decides it's the most effective way to get every corner of my room cleaned. Smart, right? You can set virtual no-go zones on the app so the robot vacuum won't cross the no-go zone. It builds a virtual fence around the area you want effectively, so your robot vacuum won't cross it. There are 4 types of cleaning modes on this robot vacuum cleaner: quiet for the lowest sound possible, standard, strong and turbo for maximum power output. Caters to different settings I want. There is a mopping module attachment which has an intuitive water tank to store water and dissipate it during mopping sessions. It comes with a washable mop pad too. Easily attach the mopping module to the robot vacuum like what I am doing here, and start mopping. In app, you can set how much water you want flowing, low, medium or high. On app, you will be able to set automated cleaning schedules to start the cleaning process automatically. Set the time, day and cleaning mode along with water flow settings, if you are mopping. Great that we have a customizable feature settings enabled on app. Here, I will be testing the suction power with a mess created on the floor. In just one swoop, all the mess is gone in seconds. This can be attributed to the 3000 Pascal powerful suction power built into the Dreame D9 robot vacuum. It effectively cleans up any particles and messes around my home. Totally hassle-free. After each use, you can easily charge up the robot vacuum like what I am doing here. It can automatically recharge after each use, and will head towards the charging dock, align itself and start charging.
Begin charging.
After each use, you can empty the bin easily. Just remove it from the bin compartment, unclip the bin and empty it. That's simple. Overall, we find the Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner a great solution for households like mine who don't have a helper to help us clean our floors daily without any hassle, as it's automated, effective and really efficient and gets the job done with ease. If you would like to find out more about the Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner, head over to the description to find out more. Thank you for watching.